Now next topic is cardinal numbers. Now what are cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are the number of elements present in a set. For example, there's a set A and you have 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. These are the elements of this set. So what is going to be the cardinal number of this set? For this you have to count the number of elements that are present in the set. Now what are the elements? These are the elements that are written inside the set. These are called the elements. So you have to count them. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now set A is having 6 elements. So the cardinal number of set A is going to be n A equals 6. This is how you show cardinal numbers. Now for example, you have set B horse having 5 legs. Now this is your set. Now you know that this is not possible. A horse cannot have 5 legs, so this is an empty set. So what is going to be the cardinal number of this set? Your cardinal number is going to be 0, or the cardinal number you can show it using this sign. This is an empty set. Okay. Now next is your equal sets. What are equal sets? Equal sets are those sets that contain same elements. Means elements should be similar no matter whether they are jumbled up, but your elements should be same. For example, you have P, Q, R over here. Over here you have Q, R, P, but P, Q, R, first set is having P, Q, R, other set is also having P, Q and R, whether it is jumbled up, but it is having all the 3 elements, same elements as A. So these type of sets are called equal sets when you have exactly same elements. If this is having PQR, it should also have PQR in it. If for example you have A, R, E, D and you have B, R, A, D, it is a equal set? No, this is not an equal set, because over here you are having R, E, D and you are having over here R, you are having over here D is similar to this, but over here A is present, but over here E is present. So that's why these are not equal sets. These are not equal to each other. They are not equal sets. Next, equivalent sets. Now equivalent sets are those sets that have same number of elements. Over here we don't focus on same elements, we focus on the cardinal number of these elements. Cardinal number of both the sets should be same. For example, over here you are having X, Y, Z, over here you are having A, B, C. Cardinal number of set is going to be 3 and same cardinal number of this set is going to be 3. So they both are equivalent sets. For example, you have A and B and you have B, X, Y, Z, A, B. Now over here you have only 2 elements, but over here you are having 5 elements. So these are not equivalent sets.